up, guys? This is for Saturday back in every day. Today's video being another school ball. As I see a tight for and as today we have today's a B day. That's today. We have in school we have a football game for tonight. It's a seniors night. So yeah, let me sure like, subscribe, turn the bell, and this is today's vlog to 18 likes. Smash the like and subscribe. I'm trying to do that to 8K subscribers and this year. Make sure I do that before 2022 on this channel. But try to do that. And before we start today's vlog, sorry, I'm gonna follow me right here on Twitter. Guys, still follow me, guys. It takes 5 seconds to follow me on Twitter, guys. And yeah, and guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Vlog Sam Shorts to me the second link in the description, guys. And yeah, go check it out. And it'll be right here in the screen, guys. And yeah. And guys, right now I'm in a rush so I could wake up super late early this morning. Right now it's 7:50, so I need to get out of my house ASAP. So yeah, I'm doing this intro very quick. So yeah, and guys, you know, I'm gonna follow me on Twitch, guys. Don't right here. Don't follow me, guys. I'll be streaming, guys. I'll be streaming this weekend. So yeah, go check it out. And let's stop talking till I'm about to miss the. I'm about to super miss the bus, so I'm gonna try to miss the bus early. So yeah, let's stop talking and yeah.
Oh yeah, you told me that. Okay.
I went in there once with one of my teachers.
So that's right now coming up from PE. So yeah, walking to my second pair of class right now. Changing to PE. So yeah, right now it's super hot. So that's my outfit for today.
Oh fuck yeah, class I didn't even end.
So guys, I had all my work. It's all the work I do in school. This is the first one, and another one right here too. So here too. Another right test is all my work. So yeah, saying school kids don't do trips. So yeah, that's done. That was this week. Now I have to color this. My teacher told me to color this. So yeah, I'm about to color. So yeah.
Yeah, so when I applied for some.
So yes, right now I'm cutting my thing right here. Just cutting this. I'm almost done. So right here, this is the part of the teeth. So yeah. It's coming good right now in a second. So cutting this right now. So yeah. See, that's right here, the color.
So when am I supposed to provide you the first UTO? I was just for the lessons that I'll do.
So we're about to get lunchtime pretty soon. I got that ready. And I got them telling this today, so there's all the packets I have working on. So yeah. So walking. I don't even know.
Smoking on 100 man.
1 billion, buddy. Yo, Drake chop, bro.
Hell no.
Billions?
Nah, bro.
Oh,
Then what the
billions.
fuck am I gonna fuck? Hey, not me, fool.
Right here. Let's go, Mission Bang!
No, like during halftime, I'm gonna go to the.
Who got that tackle? Y'all see who got that tackle?
That shit was nice, huh?
That was a nice tackle. You saw that wrap up?
Yep.
Oh, Lord.
So yeah, it's about to eat Jack in the Box, Jack in the Crack, my tacos, the soda, with my friend Tony.
What's up, guys? We're gonna be munching on some tacos from Jack in the Crack.
Yep.
Next up, senior Angelina Rossetti. Angelina is escorted by her mom Diane and her stepdad Marcos and her 2 brothers. She's been on the varsity cheer team for 4 years. Her favorite memory is getting away with friends before games, especially the homecoming games. She plans to go to a 4-year university and major in English or comparative literature. Congratulations, Angelina!
There's a dude right there. That looks just like Lucas.
Nah, the white kid, right? And the.
Perfect land, the ball carrier. Good for a gain of 11. Target by number 22, Mars Young. Timeout, Hoover. Pass intended for Feldman, incomplete. To Randall.
Oh, look, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up.
Good for a gain of 7.
Damn, this is going up.
Silver, the ball carrier, around the left side. Good for a gain of 6. Pass complete to Leahy. Number 25 Hicks on the stop. No gain on the play. We'll bring up 4th and 5 for the Bucks. And there's your third quarter, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect land along the right side. Good for a Hoover first down. Flynn Barnes, tackle for a loss of 5. Pass intended for Barnett, incomplete. So Darius Autry on the return. David Mayer on the stop. Perfect land the ball carrier. And that's the ball game, ladies and gentlemen.